Hey there, future traders and market explorers. Welcome back to the channel where we decode the charts and uncover potential opportunities. Today, we're diving deep into fascinating microcap that just popped up on our proprietary scanners, FBLG. We're going to break down exactly why this ticker is on our radar, what the technicals are telling us, and the specific levels you need to watch. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's talk about FBLG. This is a micro-cap stock operating in the N/A sector, meaning it's a tiny player in the grand scheme of the market. Its micro-cap status implies higher volatility and potentially higher reward if the setup plays out as expected. So, why did FBLG, with its current plus 0.0% change today and over the last 30 days, register on our sophisticated scanner? Show chart FBLG is because it met the stringent criteria of two powerful strategies, Paloma on Sesi, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze, and dipped and got top layer, or strength from the lows. The Paloma on Sesi strategy looks for stocks exhibiting a tight consolidation range, often characterized by a low ADX, or average directional index, an indicator that measures the strength of a trend. FBLG's low ADX signals this quiet period, where price movement has been minimal, almost perfectly flat with 0% changes across the board. The strategy also requires the price to be above the EM at 20, the 20-period exponential moving average, which is a key short-term trend indicator. For FBLG, this condition is met, showing nascent bullish sentiment despite the current calm. This suggests that while volume is currently at 0 shares, the other conditions are setting the stage for potential volume expansion as a breakout signal. Then we have dipped and got top layer. This strategy also seeks out stocks in a low ADX consolidation phase, just like FBLG. It additionally requires the price to be trading above its EM at 20, which FBLG is doing, and for the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, a momentum oscillator measuring the speed and change of price movements, to be above 50. FBLG's RSI is currently at a healthy zone, indicating underlying buying pressure that hasn't yet translated into large price moves. The strategy looks for volume above its 30-day average. While FBLG's current volume is 0 shares, the strategy identifies the potential for any significant volume to emerge, which from a 30-day average of 0 shares would signal genuine strength from these consolidated lows. Technical analysis deep dive. The signal confirmation gate for FBLG shows us a robust setup. Show indicators the stock's price is confidently trading above its VWAP, the volume-weighted moving average, which means buyers are currently in control and supporting the price at higher levels. The ADX is above 18, indicating that a trend is beginning to form out of that tight consolidation, signifying more than just market noise. The RSI is precisely in that sweet spot, between 45 and 68, confirming healthy momentum is building without being overextended or overbought. Finally, the extremely low relative volume of 0x above average means FBLG is in a state of extreme quietness, making any future volume surge a powerful confirmation signal for an impending move. Imagine a coiled spring, compressed and ready to burst. That's the essence of the Paloma on Sesi setup we see in FBLG. It's been in a tight squeeze, trading sideways with 0% change, indicating institutional accumulation or extreme lack of interest, creating a fertile ground for a short move once volume arrives. Then consider the dip and got top layer strategy. This describes a stock that has found its footing after a period of weakness, or in FBLG's case, extreme stillness. Despite the current 0 volume, the underlying technicals like RSI and price above EM at 20 suggest strength is being quietly built at these lower price points, setting the stage for an upward trajectory. Now for the actionable levels. Highlight levels are scanner generated and entry signal price at $1.1334. This level is critical because a move above it would confirm a breakout from its current tight range. To protect your capital, the stop-loss level is set tightly at $1.1277, guarding against invalidation of the setup. For profit-taking, we have three targets: TPON at $1.1901, TPWO at $1.2467, and TP3 at $1.3034. These are strategically placed to capture upside momentum. This entire setup offers an incredible risk-reward ratio of 9.95, meaning for every dollar risked, there's the potential to gain almost $10. Again, a quick reminder, important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For FBLG, watch for specific signals to confirm this move. First, we need to see significant volume expansion, a move from the current 0 shares to well above its 0 share 30-day average. This would validate the breakout. Second, keep an eye on the price action to consistently hold above our entry of $1.1334, and crucially, never dip below the $1.1277 stop loss. Finally, monitor the intraday candlestick patterns for strong bullish closes confirming buy conviction. FBLG presents a unique setup from our scanner, displaying the rare still list before a potential storm. While its current volume is at 0 shares, the underlying technical conditions indicate it's primed for an explosive move if volume starts to pour in. Remember, education is power. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let us know in the comments which stocks you'd like us to analyze next. Until then, trade smart.